Yo, my dog. Is this thing flashing red?
Yes, you're good.
Thank you. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are doing a test ride on my Kawasaki KX250. Specifically, this is a 2021 model. I have a couple different bikes, but since I got my new YZ250F, I've pretty much only been riding that thing. I haven't rode this since last year. So we're gonna jump on this thing, take it for a little spin, ride and review it, see how this thing feels compared to all my other bikes that I ride. Dude, this, it's 100 degrees today and we left this bike sitting in the sun. The seat is burning my ass so bad. Not even gonna roll, we're just gonna send the jumps. Right off the bat, I noticed that it doesn't have anywhere near the low end that my Yamaha does. It's got great mid-range though. Alright, the track is all dried and chopped out at this point in the day. I swear, man, this suspension feels so stiff. You gotta weigh like over 200 pounds to feel comfortable on this Kawi suspension. Woo! Oh yeah, back brake isn't the greatest. Front brake is good. Hydro clutch feels nice and easy to use. Corners really nice on. Honestly, it feels super balanced in the corners. I'm going slow as molasses through the corners. I'm riding sketchy on this. I already somehow don't feel like as in control on this bike as I do on my Yamaha. Maybe that's just because of the position of levers and foot pegs and stuff. If I was better at corners, I could say it corners nicely. I'm totally butchering every corner, man. All right, note to self, test ride a bike earlier on in the day when I feel fresher, man, because I'm riding so bad. Oh my God. I'm like casing jumps. I don't like this thing, bro. I don't like it. I feel so weird on this. I just feel like out of control somehow. Part of it is it's the end of the day and I'm tired, my body's tired, so I'm riding like crap, but I just can't seem to feel comfortable on this thing, dude. Like the front end is so stiff, it feels like it just bounces everywhere off of everything. I don't feel confident hitting some of the bigger jumps. It's very weird feeling. There we go. Hit that rut okay. If you actually lean it into the corner, it does feel good. But that front end is so stiff. It feels like the front end wants to pop around. Woo! This is my 2025 Yamaha YZ250F in front of me. It's my little cousin Sam ripping it. So much top end power, like third gear revs out so long. Oh shit. Third gear revs out so far on this bike. I just can't get behind the stability of it for some reason. It just feels wacky. How should I describe it? The front end just doesn't feel like stable, it feels a little bouncy. The whole thing feels stable in the chop. Like it doesn't bounce back and forth side to side, but the front end just like likes to come up and down and bounce so much. I feel like I don't have as much traction on the front end of this thing as I do on my Yamaha. Like I don't have control of the front wheel the same way I do on my other bikes. Like I'm not even downsiding that all the way because I just don't have that confidence. It's weird. Very weird feeling. As you can tell from the revs of the bike, I'm not really shifting this thing. Third gear feels really good. Don't really have to change it much. And overall, it feels like it tires me out. Because of that harsh suspension. Feels like it tires me out a lot. Dude, I'm riding so bad. I feel like an idiot on this thing. I know it was a pretty poor performance, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video all the same. That was a little test ride on this 2021 KX250F. No thank you. I'll stick with the Yamaha. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.